Welcome. In today's video, we're diving into a useful update on WhatsApp that gives you more control over your privacy, especially when it comes to group chats. If you've ever been added to random or unnecessary groups without your permission, this feature is exactly what you need. Let's go step by step on how you can stop specific contacts from adding you to groups directly on WhatsApp for PC. First, open your WhatsApp app on your computer. Once it's loaded, take a look at the left side of your screen. You'll notice a small gear icon at the bottom of the side menu. Go ahead and click on that icon to open your settings. Inside the settings menu, you'll see several options, but the one we want is privacy. Click on it, and then find the option labeled groups. This section lets you decide exactly who can add you to a group without your consent. Now, you'll see three choices: everyone, my contacts, and my contacts accept. This new third option, My Contacts Accept, is what makes this update great. When you select it, you can personally choose which contacts you want to block from adding you to any group. Click on My Contacts Accept and a list of your contacts will appear. Carefully scroll through and select the names of those you'd prefer not to be able to add you to groups. After you've made your selections, simply click Confirm to save your changes. That's it. You've successfully customized your group privacy settings. From now on, only the people you trust will be able to add you to new groups, while others will have to send you an invitation link instead. It's a quick, simple way to keep your chats cleaner and your privacy intact. So, take a minute to update your WhatsApp settings today and enjoy a more controlled and peaceful messaging experience. Thanks for watching.